In this video, we will take a look at what exactly SAP is, how the company has developed, and why the software plays such an important role in business management. We will cover the theoretical foundations without going directly into practical operation. The goal is to develop an understanding of SAP's role in the business world and to classify its key concepts. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. Behind this abbreviation is a software company headquartered in Walldorf, Germany, which today ranks among the world's largest providers of enterprise software. SAP was founded in 1972 by 5 former IBM employees who had the vision of developing standardized software capable of mapping the business processes of different companies within a single system. The basic principle of SAP is that companies do not manage their processes in isolated departments, but within a shared platform. This concept is known as an integrated system. It enables information generated in one department to be immediately available in others. A classic example: when a purchase order is created in procurement, the data automatically appears in accounting and inventory management. SAP belongs to the category of so-called ERP systems, Enterprise Resource Planning Systems. These systems help companies make the best possible use of resources such as capital, personnel, materials, and time. Today, SAP is the world's leading provider of such systems. For many years, SAP's core product was the so-called SAP R/3, which set the standard in corporate IT during the 1990s. R/3 stands for a 3-tier architecture consisting of a database, an application server, and a user interface. This structure enabled SAP to process millions of data records simultaneously and exchange them in real time across various departments. R/3 was followed by further development into SAP ERP, which expanded functionality even more. Today, SAP S/4HANA represents the most modern ERP generation. The addition HANA refers to the in-memory database that allows significantly faster data processing. This evolution demonstrates how SAP has continuously adapted its systems to technological advances. SAP is modular in structure. This means there are dedicated modules for different business areas. Examples include the FI module for financial accounting, CO for controlling, MM for materials management, SD for sales and distribution, and HR for human resources. Companies can select and combine the modules they need for their processes. The result is an individual yet standardized system that can be precisely tailored to organizational requirements. In addition to these classic modules, SAP has invested heavily in new technologies in recent years. These include solutions for cloud computing, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Under the name SAP Business Technology Platform, the company provides an environment where extensions and new applications can be developed. Another important aspect is SAP's international reach. The software is used in more than 180 countries and is available in numerous language versions. This allows globally operating companies to map their processes worldwide on a single platform. Such global availability represents a crucial competitive advantage. SAP sees itself not just as a software provider, but also as a partner for digital transformation. With programs such as Rise with SAP, companies are supported in moving their systems to the cloud and adapting their processes to the modern demands of the market. In summary, SAP is not just a software product but an entire ecosystem. This ecosystem encompasses ERP solutions, industry-specific applications, cloud services, and development platforms. Millions of people around the world work with SAP every day, whether in production, finance, procurement, or sales. We've now reached the end of the video. In this video, we learned that SAP is a leading provider of enterprise software whose core strength lies in the integration of business processes. We saw that SAP, as an ERP system, efficiently manages resources such as capital, personnel, and materials while maintaining a modular structure. We reviewed its historical development from R/3 to SAP ERP to S/4HANA and understood that HANA, as a modern database, forms the foundation of the latest generation. We also recognized that SAP is used across all industries worldwide and is a key driver of digital transformation. With this, we have established the theoretical foundation to explore the practical operation and application of SAP in future videos.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.